Hi guys, I am Johir. I welcome all of you to my English class. Right now, we are going to look at some confusing prepositions. They are to and for. However, why these prepositions are confusing, we are going to look at the class. So please, let's get started. First of all, I would like to share you some of the examples, and then we can realize what's the mere difference between to and for. Most of the times, most of the students are so confused in using that. However, let's have a look. First example, they went out to have or take dinner. And the second one, they went out for have or take dinner. So there are two types of examples, but the examples are similar. The examples have been given here in a different way. So however, the difference, why the difference is very clear. To have or to take, that's not a matter. Have or take dinner, it's okay, no problem. I am having dinner, I am taking dinner, no problem. Have or take, it's okay. But before have or take, what have I used? To preposition, am I right? The second one, they went out for have or take dinner. But could you please tell me which one is right? Before have or take, I have used for. Before have or take, I have used to. But I have informed you what's the difference between to and for. So could you please tell me which one between two examples, which one is correct or which one is right? Absolutely right. It's okay. Let's have a look. There is an example. They went out to have or take dinner is correct, but they went out for have or take dinner is not correct. So why it's not correct? Of course, if we complete all over the class, or if we complete all over the things, we will be able to apply, or we will be able to understand very clearly. So next sentence, he spoke to me or for me. He spoke to me or for me. Which one is right? Of course, you will get the point after having done the lesson. It's okay. Next one, the next thing is that it will be also very clear if you understand why is how is it used. I mean, how is to used in the sentence. Okay, how what does it indicate? I mean, what does to indicate in the sentence? So reason or purpose. Reason or purpose. I mean, to depends on reason or purpose. So let's have a look. Reason or purpose. According to that, what's the reason? Why have I come here? What am I doing now? Why am I teaching the learners? Of course, that's my reason. That's my purpose. Okay, why are you learning English? Okay, specifically, why are you learning English? Why do I learn English? Of course, I need to develop my speaking skill. That's why I am learning English. The question is very similar. I go to bed at 11 p.m. Why do you go to bed at 11 p.m.? Why do you go to bed? Of course, there is the question. I go to bed at 11 p.m. to get more sleep. To get more sleep. Why do I go to bed? Why do I go to bed? Why do I go to bed at 11 p.m.? Okay, or just time. I go to bed at 11 p.m. to get more sleep. There is to preposition. That's correct. The next one, he went outside to dash smoking cigarette or smoke. Which one is right? Of course, you are thinking of that. Okay, just think of that so fast. Okay, how to be fast? He went outside to dash smoke or smoking or cigarette or smoked. Which one is correct? Because if I would like to use to preposition, of course I need to use that simple present form. I mean be1. Okay, it indicates be1 or present form. So he went outside to dash smoke or smoking or cigarette or smoke. Which one is present form here? Of course, you are right. That is smoke. So he went outside to smoke. You are absolutely right. Next one, for. What does it mean? Of course, if I would like to use to preposition and for preposition, and of course it indicates the reason and purpose, or reason and purpose indicates, reason or purpose indicates to preposition and for preposition. But if I use to preposition, of course that will be present form. If I use to preposition, that will be present form. If I use for, of course that will be used in a different way. Now I would like to say something else here that will be of course clear if you understand this lesson. But I would like to give you an example. I go to bed at 11 p.m. for my health. So is there any be1 or present form? Of course after for there is no present form. But which one is this? That is of course noun, and that is possessive. However, I go to bed at 11 p.m. to my health or for my health. Which one is right? Of course for my health, because after for I have used here noun. It's okay. Next one. He went outside for dash smoke. Already I have used the same sentence, but when I have said here he went outside to dash smoke, but or smoking or a cigarette or smoked, which one was right? Of course you have told smoke was right, because after to preposition that will be present form. If I use for, of course that will be verb plus ing or gerund. So he went outside for smoke. Of course that's not right. Or smoked, that's not right. Or cigarette, that's not right. But which one is right? Smoking. So he went outside for smoking. Yes, you are right. Thank you. Next one. How does to preposition indicate? To preposition indicates into two ways. That's our, or it can be used into two ways: infinitive and preposition. So there are so many prepositions, but there is the single preposition that is called infinitive. To plus verb 1, to plus verb. Okay, to go, to drink, to swim. However, why do you drink water? Of course you like to drink water to quench your thirst, or to quench your thirst. So why do you need to go to drink? Why do you need to go there? I need to go there to drink water. It's okay. Why do you need to go to market? I need to go to market to buy anything else. So that's my infinitive. It's okay. What's that app for? Or why is Bangladesh famous? Or why is Cox's Bazar famous? Why is Cox's Bazar famous? Of course we can answer this question. Cox's Bazar is famous for sea beach. You are absolutely right. It's okay. Next one. What's that app for? Why is this app for? There are so many apps in the cell phone. So it's for learning vocabulary. The app is for learning vocabulary. Next one. I am going to Dhaka. So is this the, okay, I would like to mention here, why is that app for? It's for learning vocabulary. Is this the reason or function? Of course that's the function. Next one. I am going to Dhaka. So where are you going right now? I am going to Dhaka. I am going to market. I am going to school. I am going to college. Okay, I am going to university. That's called my destination. That's called my destination. So there are so many different things. First of all, we have got reason, purpose. Secondly, we have got infinitive. Thirdly, we got function. And finally we got destination. What's the function of destination? It's okay. Last one. Opinion or effect. How to say this sentence? This sentence is also common sentence for all over the students. This is important to me. Most of the times we are confused in using that. To me or for me, which one is right? Actually both of are correct. But when you are going to say or express opinion, you can say here, this is important to me. This class is important to me. Just it's my opinion. I mean personal opinion. If you like to give the personal opinion, you can say this is important to me, or this class is important to me. It's my personal opinion. Effect. How does it indicate? This is important for me. This is important for me. It's a kind of effect. That's why I can say here, this is important for me. So important for me is also correct, to me is also correct. Thank you so much. Next one. So according to this class, I would like to review I would like to review some of the examples, okay? And of course that will be also very clear if you understand those or these examples, okay? Let's have a look at that. Review. I would like to review just for understanding clearly. To plus verb infinitive. There is the example. Why do you practice English? Why do you learn English from me, from my channel or from my Facebook page? Of course you have the intention. Why do you learn or why do you practice? I practice English. I practice English to develop my speaking skill. That is called to plus verb. I mean that is infinitive. Next one, for plus noun. I would like to make you clear it. Okay, I bought a whiteboard. Why did I buy this whiteboard? I bought this whiteboard for my classroom. For my classroom. It's very clear. Next one, for plus verb plus ing. That is called Gerund. This classroom. Why is this classroom? Why is this environment? Why is this video? This video is for learning. This video is for studying. You are absolutely right. Next one, to plus destination. If you like to go anywhere, that's your destination. Today I am going to Cox's Bazar. I'm going to London. I'm going to America. I'm going to Canada, or I'll go to Canada, okay, in future. That's okay. To me, opinion. There is the opinion. How to use or how to express the opinion. Your plan sounds good to me. My plan sounds good to me. Your plan sounds good to others. Okay, thank you very much. Next one, for me, effect. Walking is good for me. Is walking good for you? Of course you can say here, yes, walking is good for me, or running is good for me. Okay, walking is good for me, running is good for me. In a different way I can say it's good for health or it's good for me. Next one, for plus, this is the situation. Okay, whenever I'm going to express my situation, I can say here it indicates for preposition. The mango is too tasty for me. The mango is too tasty for me. There is no doubt, undoubtedly it's so tasty. So it's this is why I can say here this mango is too tasty, or this ice cream. Most of the children like very much ice cream. So ice cream is tasty for the children. So this is why they can say here the ice cream is tasty for the children, not to the children, for the children. That will be so enjoyable if you apply in this way. I hope you all have understood this lesson, and thank you so much to pay the attention to look at my I mean techniques or tactics. However, as one of the teachers or instructors, I have tried my level best to make you clear so that you can apply in your academic life, in your I mean in every sphere of your life. Okay, thank you so much. See you soon in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Just for now, Assalamu alaikum.